Hi there again, everyone. Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today, I am going to be joined by my daughter.
Hi.
And she is Jessica, okay? But her channel name is Nautical Angel 7. So anyway, guys, we're gonna do an unboxing session right now with her. And then after we unbox this, we're gonna go ahead and assemble this product as well. So this is called the DIY Miniature House. The manufacturer of this product is Robotime Technology. Let's go ahead and open this up, Jess.
Okay. Oh, this is
So
how it
you're gonna
opens?
see, yeah, from the bottom it opens
From the
up.
bottom. Okay, that's actually helpful.
Yeah.
Oopsie.
Okay, it's okay. From the bottom it opens up. Oh,
So
wow.
this is called SOHO Time DGM01, and I guess it's the instruction manual. Oh, there we go. Very detailed. Nice.
Right.
Color coded and everything.
So these are all the items.
And they list like exactly like
How do you build them?
lists right here.
And
A
then
list right here of like a window. There's 2 pieces of a window and all
awesome.
the details. Wow, it's like you're kind of a mini architect.
Yeah, I didn't know that there are so many.
I like how thorough this guide is.
Yes, there are so many. Yeah, exactly. Because I thought at first when you were flipping it that, because this is the first time we're unboxing it, guys, and this is the first time we are going to be using a product such as this, because oftentimes when we're building things, we kind of build off of, you know, used materials, trying to do some recycling. But I know that they also produce these things using recyclable items. So I didn't think, I thought I was looking at a catalog.
Yeah.
And not an instruction manual.
I thought it was
So
a catalog too.
in a way, it is a product catalog, so we can find which part to use. But look at all of this detail. So this is what we're gonna be building, and yes, that's what we are assuming, or we're hoping, targeting to make, right?
Oh,
So
I like how they labeled each package. So I guess you just use the manual to go to whatever package they provide for you, and then you
right.
just. I think in a way it means that you can start from anywhere.
Oh my, this is gonna be something interesting. We have not done anything electrical on our miniature homes because I only put, we only put like LED fairy lights or the LED candle that you get at the Dollar Tree. You know, those votive lights.
How cute is this material?
Yeah, these are also the fabrics that you can use, and this is the structure itself. So it's more like, this is the building itself, right? And then these ones will be, oh, look at that. So these are stickers that you can peel off, and then when you're, let's say, putting the floor, right, this will be your hardwood floor.
You
Again,
know, for some reason I expected there'd be so much more,
So
which
much
is actually
more.
a good thing.
Yeah.
This is a good thing, and I'm
So-
not mad at that. It's just that, like, I thought,
yeah, maybe because the catalog, even though they're saying French window, it's already a whole page of French windows giving you some ideas. So
okay,
it's not like they're, at first too, at a glance, you would think, oh wow, they have a lot of things.
yeah,
You know, but to be honest, these are all the items. That's not very many, in my opinion.
yeah.
They're just giving you some options on how to assemble them and use them.
Looks like it's gonna be very therapeutic, you guys.
It's going to be therapeutic. Again, this is the DIY miniature house. After discussing this with my daughter, we have decided that we will build something that she would like her own home to look like, you know, if she were to get her own place someday. And that is the reason why we're doing this together. And I like bonding with my daughter, to be honest. That's why I like to involve her in this building of this miniature house. So what we're going to do is, the part one would be her building the structure, and then the small accessories will be where I am going to be kind of putting my own touch and kind of helping her with that. I've mentioned before here in my channel, if you've been following me here in my channel, my daughter likes kind of minimalist style and also somehow kind of industrial style. But when we looked at the picture here of some of the furnishings, she didn't like the metal legs, even though she likes industrial style, but she didn't like the materials that they have given us. It seems to be too flimsy. So if I were to give that review as well, I would say the same thing. I would have wished for maybe a harder wire or thicker gauge of wire so that it will be stronger, even though what we're going to put there seem light, but you know, we kind of tested it. In our opinion, okay, this is just our opinion, that they may be a little bit too flimsy if we use those. So what we're going to be deciding on is that we're going to kind of structure them in a way that we're going to use some parts that were meant for other things. And since she doesn't like her own home to be too crowded and filled with so many things, like in the picture or the cover or the box or the inspiration here, then we will just do it sparsely, because again, this is not how she would want that. So I'm going to be fast forwarding it from here on so that we can take you towards the end a little bit faster. So watch and enjoy.